Hi guys, a little disclaimer before we go ahead. This is a timeless reading, and also guys, this reading is going to be very short and very general. So guys, take whatever resonates with you. Thank you. Hi guys, welcome to Amethyst Witch Tarot. So today the topic of the video is going to be a message from your spirit guides. What do you need to hear right now? So we have three groups to choose from today. We have group number 2. We have 3 tiny crystals here. These crystals right here. And you can also pick by the tarot cards, guys. This is Morgan Greer's tarot. This is Golden Universal Tarot. And for group number 3, we have Amethyst Crystal. And the tarot cards are the original Rider-Waite tarot. So guys, yeah, take your pick. Pick whatever pile you are feeling the most drawn to, and let's get started, guys. Okay guys, for those of you who chose the Clear Quartz Crystal or the Morgan Greer's Tarot, let's get started. Let's see your tarot cards first, and then we will look at your oracle cards a minute later. So start off the bat, we have 7 of Swords upright, we have 9 of Swords, we have 5 of Cups, we have 7 of Cups in reverse, we have 8 of Pentacles in reverse, and we have 10 of Cups in reverse. Guys, I just want to say that for your group, we have the most tarot cards. For other groups, we only had like 3 or 4 maximum. For you, we have 6 tarot cards. So spirit guides really wanted to come through, huh? Okay, for your oracle cards, we have Vesta, Home. We have Abun, I don't know how to pronounce this, so I'm not even gonna try. We have Prosperity, and we have, instead of praying for an outcome, I pray for the highest good for all. This card over here. Okay guys, so give me a moment and then we'll get started. Okay guys, so for you guys, I'm seeing and I'm immediately picking up that this situation has something to do with your home life for some of you, not all of you. So maybe someone cheated on you, or they lied behind you, or they are being they've been dishonest with you, and that cause a lot of anxiety, that you cannot sleep at night because of the situation. You're not feeling well, physically, you're not feeling well emotionally. This situation has taken a lot from you, physically, emotionally, and mentally as well. And you are feeling alone. You're feeling that everybody has left you, nobody stands beside you. You have to deal with this all on your own, and you're kind of in a dark place right now. I'm seeing a female figure here. So maybe this situation involves a female figure, or maybe a feminine energy. It doesn't have to be a female. It just could be that this person has a lot of feminine energy, right? So it may be that. But the spirit guides have a message for you. This situation will improve. I'm definitely seeing that. I'm definitely speaking that this situation will improve. You just have to get out of this energy, right? You just have to get out of this 9 of Swords energy. This energy, it is taking a lot from you. You just have to get out of this energy. You have to, cut these ropes that that is tied to your hands. You have to cut them open, right? You can try a little bit. Your spirit guides are saying that they can only meet you halfway, right? You just have to initiate a change, and they will definitely help you. Okay, so that's what I'm seeing here. See, we have 7 of Pentacles in reverse here. You have to turn this upright. Just a little bit of initiation from your side will take you a long way. Okay, you feel like you lack opportunities, nothing is really going on in your life, but this will change, guys. Just take a step forward, just a little step. Okay, but this situation will improve. For some of you, like I said earlier, it has something to do with your home life, as we also have this oracle card Home. Okay, it says your household situation is improving, either through a move or a healthy change in the occupants. So yeah, we also have 10 of Cups upright, guys. It's a very great combination here. Okay, your household situation or whatever situation that you are in, it will improve, okay? But you have to initiate this change, okay? You have to get out of this energy, you have to start meditating, okay? You have to get out of your mind. And also I'm seeing that you don't have to worry about others, okay? The universe will take care of others. You just have to take care of yourself first, and if you take care of yourself, automatically, ultimately, others will be taken care of, okay? And for this card we have prosperity. The universe is pouring its abundance to you. Be open to receiving. So yeah guys, see this, how the universe is receiving abundance, pouring abundance into your life. This will happen guys only if you initiate a change, okay? You just have to take a step forward. I'm feeling a very heavy energy in my heart chakra. So your heart chakra is very blocked right now guys, okay? You have to work on that. This card we have, instead of praying for an outcome, I pray for the highest good for all. This card. So for this card I'm immediately getting, you see these looks like farms to me, and when I see this card, I feel like work is required, okay? I feel like work is required from your end. You need to work on this a little bit. I'm not saying that you have to change yourself completely, you have to change the situations around you, you have to start thinking completely different altogether. That's not possible guys, let's be real here, right? You cannot, even if you are suffering from depression or anxiety, you cannot change your thoughts in one day altogether, even if you try the hardest, okay? You can try a little bit, a step by step. For example guys, you have a pattern, right? You have a pattern, and one day you just decide that I'm not gonna do this one thing, and you focus on that particular thing for the entire day. That will be the most from your end. That will bring a lot of change in your life. So that's what I'm seeing here really guys. And let me see if I'm picking anything else here. Guys, don't wait for universe to bring answers to you. You will get answers very soon, but you just have to, you will get answers. It only depends on how early, how soon you initiate this change, how soon you start to take control over your life, and then the universe will take the driver's seat of your life. Then you don't have to worry about anything, but just initiate the change, okay? So yeah guys, that's what I'm seeing for you. I hope this video resonated with you guys. Definitely let me down in the comment section below if it did, and give it a like, and I will see you in one of my upcoming videos guys. Peace. Hi group number 2, welcome to your reading. For those of you who chose these tiny little crystals right here, these crystals guys, I believe this is a green aventurine, this is red jasper, and I think this is an opalite crystal, okay guys? And for also those of you who chose a golden universal tarot, welcome to your reading. Let's get started guys. Okay, so we have the Lovers in reverse, we have the Page of Cups upright, and the Ace of Pentacles. Okay, we have Athena, inner wisdom, Coventina, purification. And we have the more energy and intention I bring to my faith, the more fearless and free I am. Okay guys, so let me see, let me check, and we will get started. Okay guys, so I'm seeing that you are stuck in making a decision, okay? Most probably for the most of you, this has something to do with love, okay? A relationship. Not all of you, for others of you, you just are confused with a certain choice that you have to make, okay? So you are confused, you don't know which direction to take in. You have two crossroads in your life right now, and you don't know which will lead to success, right? But if this has something to do with love, I am seeing that this situation will improve. You have to trust your instincts. You have to trust your emotions, most importantly. Okay, your emotions are strong. Your emotions are very strong right now. Okay, and you have to trust your emotions. Okay, yeah, they are based on your emotion. They come from an authentic place. You have to trust it. Okay, and if you are having, for example, you're in a relationship and you don't know if this, and your relationship is not in a very good place right now, and you don't know if you should continue with this relationship or not, but your spirit guides are encouraging you to trust your emotions and your intuitions. They will tell you what to do. If you feel like yes, you love this person and you want to continue, then you have to continue with them. You have to trust it. But if you feel like deep down that there is no point, then trust it. Okay, but moreover, this situation will improve. Okay, you have a healthy future ahead of you, and I'm seeing that whatever choice that you decide to make, it will lead to success whatsoever. Okay, it will lead to such success, so don't worry about the wrong choice. I think you will make the right choice. And here guys, we have three oracles card here. We have inner wisdom, purification, and this card over here. These three cards just speak one word to me. It is trust your intuition. Okay, your intuition is very strong. You have to trust what it says. You have to trust your inner world. And for those of you who are having troubles in to connecting to your inner self, you need to meditate more. Okay, meditation will bring answers to you what to do. Okay, here we have this Athena inner wisdom card. It says that you know what to do. Trust your inner wisdom and take appropriate action without delay. So do not delay guys. Trust your instincts, take the action. Okay, meditate, it will bring answers to you. We have purification. It is time for cleansing, detoxification of your body and mind. So yeah guys, meditate more, listen to frequencies that will help you to clarify your mind. It will help you to take this decision. And the more energy and intention I bring to my faith, the more fearless and free I am. Yes guys, this decision will set you free. Okay, this decision will set you free. Take this decision that you are feeling that is right without the delay. Okay, so that's the main message from my spirit guides today. Take the decision without any delay and trust that this decision is right. Okay, trust your emotions. They will bring answers to you. Yeah guys, so that's what I'm seeing for you guys. I hope this video resonated. If it did, let me know in the comment section below, and give this video a like, and I will see you in one of my upcoming videos guys. Peace. Hi group number 3, for those of you who chose the amethyst crystal or the Rider-Waite tarot, welcome to your reading. Let's see what your spirit guides has to say to you. Okay, we have 2 of Pentacles in reverse, we have 2 of Swords in reverse, and we have 6 of Cups in reverse. Wow, a lot of 2s here. We have Sedna, infinite supply, expect a miracle, Mother Mary, and I do whatever it takes to get closer to consciousness. Okay guys, okay, group number 3, I don't know if you were also drawn to group number 2, because the message was kind of similar in the group number 2, so definitely check out group number 2 if you were feeling drawn to it intuitively. Okay, and we also have 2s here, so yeah, definitely check out group number 2. There might be a message for you, because it's a very similar spread here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to clarify these cards for you. Okay, I'm going to clarify these cards for you, group number 2, group number 3. See, I keep seeing group number 2. Maybe you were feeling drawn to group number 2. Yeah. Okay, so Spirit, can we please clarify 2 of Pentacles in reverse, please? We have 4 of Wands upright. Spirit, can we please clarify 2 of Swords in reverse? The Devil. Spirit, can we please clarify Six of Cups in reverse? Oh, wow. Six of Cups. Nine of Swords upright. Okay. Okay guys, and in the bottom of the deck we have the Empress card. Okay, keep it here. Okay guys, for your group I'm seeing your situation involves children. Okay, we have the Six of Cups here, we have the Empress card, and we have expect a miracle. Here we have children. Okay, I don't know if you are expecting a child or you are trying for a child and it's not happening, and you are not feeling that you are worthy of a child, something like that, or you are feeling like you are not good enough, the universe is testing you. Okay, and you are juggling something. Okay, you are feeling like, yes I want it, but I also want, yes I want to feel good, but I also want to have a child. Okay, I want also, if it's not child, it's a new project. Okay, you want to birth something into your life. Okay, so you are like, yes I want to feel good about myself, I do not feel I'm not worthy, but I also I want this thing that I want to create so badly. Okay, that's what I'm feeling here, and it is causing a lot of bad thinking patterns. It is causing you're not able to think properly. It is affecting your mental health. Okay, you really want to birth this thing into existence, or for some of you it's a child, but it's not happening and you're feeling like you're worthless. Okay, you cannot sleep at night, you're feeling, you are having negative thinking patterns. Okay, you're not able to think properly, but the message here from the spirit guides is expect a miracle. Okay, your prayers will be answered. We have Mother Mary expect a miracle card. It says have faith that your prayers has been heard and being answered. Okay, expect that your prayers are being answered, and if you are desiring for answers, if you want to make a choice, then meditation will bring you answers. Okay, this person you see in the Two of Swords cards, it is reversed. Okay, he is not able to see, he is not able to think properly when it is reversed. Okay, you have to turn this upright, and meditation will help you turn this card upright. Okay, we also have what I do whatever it takes to get closer to consciousness. So guys, I would suggest you to meditate more. I would suggest you to get out of this thinking pattern, and then you can expect a miracle. Your prayers will be answered. Just have a little bit more patience, because we also have infinite supply. We are supplied for today and all your tomorrows. Okay guys, so just have a little bit of more patience. And yes, if you are trying for a child, it will happen guys, it will definitely happen. We have all these beautiful cards here. We have the Six of Cups, even though it's reversed, but it's still a strong indicator of children. Okay, we have children here in this card. We have Four of Wands, which is all about family. We have the Empress card, which is literally a mother. Okay guys, or as I already said, if it's not about a child, for some of you it's about, you want to birth this new thing into existence. You want to create this new project that you are so excited about, or simply you want something new to happen in your life. You are feeling stuck in this old environment, in this old place that you no longer want to be. Okay, take whatever resonates. You're feeling stuck and you want this new thing to happen, and it is causing you a lot of anxiety. You're not able to think properly. Maybe you want to relocate and you're not able to relocate, and it is causing you to have sleepless nights. But change will come guys if you have a little bit patience and you try to take care of yourself and you try to meditate more. Okay, I will get just one more card for you. I'm feeling just one more card. Okay Spirit, what else do you have to say for my notes for here? We have too many cards. Yeah, the Hermit. Yes, guys, you have to go within and seek for the answers, and the miracle will happen. You don't have to worry about it. Okay, guys, the answers will come to you. Yes, guys, so that's all I'm seeing for you, group number 3. If you resonated, let me know down in the comment section below and give this video a big thumbs up. And I will see you in one of my upcoming videos, guys. Peace.